Hi everybody, thanks for watching. You're looking at a 4-pack of WALI electric dummy security camera for indoor or outdoor use. These are run by battery powered and they screw readily into any vertical or horizontal surface. And I want to show you what this 4-pack looks like in the box. I've already installed one. They come wrapped in bubble wrap and separated with a nice divider. Once you look at one, it's got a normal dome you'd see in a security store. And on one side there's an LED light that will flash red underneath a camera looking lens. The bottom has 2 screw holes and a battery compartment that holds 2 AA batteries that will run that LED light for months and months and months. This is convenient because you can put it anywhere because it's battery operated. Other things they give you to assist is a template that works really well. I heard in other reviews, read that it didn't work so well, but it's kind of clever. Fits right in the back and goes exactly over the holes you'd expect it to right there. So when I put this on a flat surface mounted so it's hanging down, I have this part down. And what is clever here, they also take into account that little 10-degree increment. So when you put the screw heads through the wide part and then twist it, it'll show you the direction of the lens because you want the camera to be facing the way to give it the perceived look of actually surveillance. 2 batteries, as soon as you put them in, they start operating. It comes with a small Ziploc bag with a couple nylon anchors and regular screws. So what you'll need to do, also it gives you 4 little stickers, kind of neat because most of security is mental for people, and then a little guide that shows how to install it. Also gives it dimensions. It's just under 3 inches top to bottom and about 4.5 inches wide. So to install this, you're going to need a drill with a small drill bit, so you can go ahead and use those screws. And I have a permanent marker, a permanent magic marker here, like a Sharpie, to mark the ceiling out there. So I'm going to go outside and install 2 more of these and you'll see how simple it is. The reason we're using this, we had an old security system that kind of ran with cables, about 20 cameras around the whole property and cables ran everywhere. Well, everything's gone wireless now, so we have the wireless cameras to give us security, but we have holes in our soffit that were where the old ones were from. And this, I could either patch the holes or I could patch it with these, which will be just as cost effective and give a little bit more of a physical presence. So that's why we went with these. These will cover a hole in the soffit that will prevent insects like wasps and stuff from making a home there. You'll see what I mean in a second. Let's go. Thought I'd show you really quick what the lights look like inside before we got outside. So in the daytime they don't show up too well, but at night really well. That's it. Here we are outside the house, and you can see on that soffit 2 black holes. That's where we had the original wired cameras that went into a central CRT for monitoring. And up close, this is what we're going to cover. So that template fits on like this. We'll mark a couple holes. I'll drill them. There's the holes I marked. And with the drill that I showed you earlier, make a couple holes for the screws and just fit the piece on and twist it that 10-degree increment. Here's what it looks like when we're all complete. The holes are covered tightly so those wasps can't get into our soffit, and we have the perceived look of more security cameras. Thanks for watching.